Put away. Put away is to return something to its proper place. Put away is all about organization and tidiness. When you put something away, you're moving it back to where it belongs. This could be a drawer, a shelf, a closet, a refrigerator, a backpack, or a toy box. Americans use this phrasal verb constantly at home, in school, and at work. Typical situations include putting away the laundry, putting away the groceries. These are two that I absolutely do not like to do. Putting away books, putting away toys, another one of my least favorites, and putting away documents, or even putting away cleaning supplies. And it's one of the most common ways parents speak to their kids and how teachers speak to their students. Please put your things away. Some examples are, please put your clothes away. Or I need to put away the groceries. She put away her books after class. Can you put your toys away before dinner? He put away the tools after finishing the project. Repeat after me. Put away. Put away. Put away. Put away your things. I put it away already. Please put everything away.